Hey everybody, it's Miss Larissa and I'm just here to show you how to find your live PE online class. So as you can see, I got my classes here in Google Classroom, and the one that you don't need to see is this LUA Teachers one. But as you can see, I've got K2, I've got 3-5, and I've got 6-8. And you guys do online live classes together, so that's why you're grouped together. So let me just show you, like, as an example, the K2 Google Classroom. So you open that up and you go to classwork, and the PE Zoom link will always be there, right there for you. But if you'd rather go to the calendar, or you can go to the calendar as a separate means, and you can see that, hold on just a moment, it's coming. You can see that on Monday the 14th and then the week of the 14th, these are the online Zoom classes that we have. And for those of you that are, you're only going to see the grades or the grade that your child is in, or that you guys are in. So for example, if your child is in K2, I'm going to turn off 3-5 and 6-8, and you'll see, whoops, and you'll see, I don't know why it's doing that, but let's go like this. You'll see the live sessions that are right there. So K2 will have two the first week that are online, and then the next week, I think it's 3. I don't know. I have to double check. But yeah, so you just do that. So if you want to go to, let's say your child is in 7th grade, so we'll go to the 6-8 classwork. And again, you can find your Zoom link right there, but you can also go to your Google Calendar, and it's going to pop up with the same thing, but yours will be here, but it won't have everybody else's. Yours will be as such. So as you can see, we do a lot of middle school online. So, and if it's 3, 4, and 5, grades 3, 4, and 5, you follow the same process. You should be able to see that classroom in Google Classroom. I haven't invited everybody just yet, but I will. And if you're watching this after school starts, then everybody should be in there. But that's it. So I will see you guys either in class, or I will see you online. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much.